In this lecture, we're gonna learn the shutter speed, how it works, what is the purpose of shutter speed, and what is the application of shutter speed. Shutter speed is the amount of time that the shutter is open to expose light into the image sensor. Here in this figure, you can see the shutter item, the shutter element is being set in front of the image sensor. When we press on shutter button, it opens for a certain time and then the light enters to the image sensor and the image sensor creates image from that light. Here, appearance of the shutter item, the shutter element in front of the image sensor being displayed in several shutter speed, 8000, 4000, 2000 and 1000. Shutter firing sequence. There are 4 sequences in a shutter firing approach. Number 1, rear curtain opens. Number 2, front curtain opens, exposure begins. Number 3, rear curtain closes, exposure ends. And number 4, front curtain closes. In this figure, the appearance of the shutter at various speeds are being shown. Slow shutter speed, medium shutter speed, and fast shutter speed. Increasing shutter speed is quite important, quite needed to avoid blurry images. This figure gives a cool example, cool appearance, how shutter speed can grasp a moment, how shutter speed can give us scope to skip the blurriness, avoid the blurriness. Shutter speed cheat sheet. In several aspects, we have to utilize several shutter speed to get our perfect image, to get our preferred images. For example, to freeze the airplane in the sky, we need to utilize 1/4000 second shutter speed. To freeze the birds while flying, we need to 1/2000 second. Freezing cars, motorcycles, 1/1000 seconds. Freezing athletes, 1/500 seconds. Freezing walking people, 1/250 seconds. If you want to create panning cars, motorcycle effect, then you need to create 1/125 seconds. And if you want to have the Milky Water effects, then you need to use a minimum slow shutter speed 1 to 5 seconds. And if you want to shoot Milky Way, then you have to utilize for slower shutter speed like 10 seconds, 15, 30 or even more. Important points regarding shutter speed. A rule of thumb, your shutter speed should not exceed your lens focal length when you are shooting in handheld, when not utilizing any tripod. Now, for example, if you are shooting with 200mm lens, your shutter speed should be 1/200th of a second or faster to produce a sharp image.